Well, right now at 5:30, people on social media are talking about a loud noise in the middle of the night that startled them and woke them up. Thanks for staying with us here at 5:30. I'm Colin Mayfield.
And I'm Vanessa Rufus. Folks in the Belmont and Cramerton areas say that loud rumble went on for several minutes at a time. WCNC Charlotte's Megan Bragg is getting answers for us in this Verify Fact Check.
These are just some of the social media posts. Dawn says that her ears were ringing and the noise lasted long, and several others posted in the Belmont Cramerton group asking what the noise was. Okay, so to get the facts, we went to the Charlotte Douglas International Airport and American Airlines and our very own meteorologist, Brittany Van Voorhees. Okay, so the airport did give us this statement saying they are aware of the noise complaints coming out of Belmont and Cramerton areas, and they confirmed the noise was not a standard commercial flight pattern. It turns out American Airlines was testing a Boeing 777 aircraft on an aviation department approved runway. And American Airlines confirms they were conducting routine engine maintenance on the Boeing 777 at the airport. Our meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees tells us Tuesday night was the perfect setup for loud noises traveling long distances because we had what's called a temperature inversion.
You have a temperature inversion, that sound or any kind of shock wave, anything like that, kind of bounces back and forth between the cooler air on the ground and the warm inversion, and it essentially almost like gets trapped. So the sound is bouncing back and forth, and it makes it just seem so much louder.
She says temperature inversions can occasionally happen, and when they do, they can make things like thunderstorms seem louder than they actually are. If you have any more questions about the story or want something verified, you can always reach out to me on my social media.